Michael. I was just in January at the World Economic Forum in Davos, and every year the WEF releases a global risks report, and there we also found how a digital gap is really increasing the chances of social unrest and disparity around the world. So as you are working in so many different countries, how do you see the equitable access to technological advancements? What needs to be done to really provide a fair level playing field to social groups that we can really advance mankind and humanity together?
Yeah, that's a very good question. I think in a way, the technology really, I think, no matter whether there's a geopolitical, any other things, they will flatten the world in a way to make the people much more connected. And in a way, accessibility to the technology stuff, right, is also very easier than before. Yes. And then as a kind of each country, the visionary leaders of the country, they can also see that. I think that's much more, right, this kind of those technology or civilization will be easier to be transported to other countries. I think that part I'm more optimistic in a way to say through the technology, right, the localization part of stuff will make each of the country, right, we'll have a global smile curve and then we have each of the local smile curve in a way. Then it's getting much more, I think the disparity will getting much more narrowed in a way. I think that's that's why you feel like working on the technology side, the investment on technology side in a global scale is very important just to flatten the kind of the gaps. Yeah.